Alright, again, good morning. Today is uh, October 15, 2025. This is Forex Day by Day. We're going to be looking at the DAX. And not only the DAX, but we're going to look at a couple of concepts that not too many traders use it because the propaganda. All right. The propaganda says that Fibonacci and Gann are crazy and doesn't work for some weird reason because they want to sell the bullshit. All right. I would say try everything. Once again, let's go to the boring part. Disclaimer and subscribe. If you like this experiment, the subscription is free and it can be very relevant as you can see, as you're gonna see in the time that you choose to use it. Okay. We're gonna see Gann Square 9. All right. This software is called Ganzilla Pro. It's absolutely free. And what it does, it calculates based on Gann spiral, very relevant points of support and resistance. All right. I'm looking at one of October 2025. Yeah, October 15, day and month. 10:15 is at 90 degrees. All the shaded area are the strongest support and resistance. And is in base of a calculation that Mr. Gann did based on a spiral. It moved like that, all right? And he happened to calculate that when the prices are in these crosses, you can see, are very relevant. Now, what's going on the DAX, people? This is amazing, bro. The yellow lines you see is Fibonacci time zones, all right? I draw the time zones, and these time zones telling me that between the A and the 10 is going to be a reversal. Is that an amazing thing? Right there is my signal. As I draw, no, the Gann says the 15, right? I'm sorry. Gann says 1510. Yeah, 1510 is today, isn't it? Yeah, 1510 00 line. Insert object, vertical line. 2025, 10, 15. Zero, zero. Oh my God, brother. I don't know you people. If you don't want to know and you don't want to open your mind to things that are older than water, I don't know what to tell you. Look at this signal here. Let's recheck with Gann. This is the 917. Oh, it's not here because this is 10. Let's do it just for fun. October, September 1st. 917. You can make this shit up, people. $17.09. Watch this, people. This blows my mind, bro. What am I? Oh, let me bring it down. Right freaking there. What? 1700. This is 1720. Let me insert vertical line. If you don't know how to use this, look for my video. I don't remember if I did it in English or in Spanish. 0917. Oh my God, brother. I gotta tell you guys, open your mind. Open your mind to weird shit, all right? Because it worked. It worked. Do a back testing and you see what I'm talking about. If you do a back testing with this is gonna blow your mind. Now, this is no woo-woo sign. Mr. Gann was a mathematician. This is based on mathematical projection of a spider, a spider, goddamn it, a spiral in top of the pyramid. This is a pyramid seen from the top. And he did these calculations. And let me tell you guys, those points that you see in these degrees, holy crap, man. They are very, 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 very relevant. All right? Look at this. Now, what I did on top of that, I draw the Fibonacci time zone, which is the yellow lines. And it's based on the zigzag indicator here. This is what you see here is just the zigzag portrait in this way. You can look for this indicator. I also gave you a website that you can find all these things. All right. And I started experiment. Because we putting together a very powerful system right here. All right. I didn't want to talk about this too much because I know the resistance of the regular individual about things than the propaganda is portraying. And I believe it's a conspiracy because I am a conspiracy terrorist. You know, I believe they want to obfuscate the truth. Can you see this? Don't even try. I don't even try, people. I just throw in line on top of this deviation channel. And look at this thing. Can we ignore this? Do we gonna take a decision based on this? No, but let me see what these resistance are. And the way this work, let's say here, 17, 18, 19. There are 3 days of resistance here. All right? Or support in this case. And we can freaking actually see it. Gee, man, what the hell? 17, 18, 19, 20. All these are support in this case. 17 to 20. 17. It wasn't even necessary. 20 was already resisting out there. Are you kidding me, bro? You don't want to know this? I don't know, man. You better jump in, get your free version. This is a free thing, Gansila Pro, and download this zigzag so you can take the impulse retracement. Let me show you how I did this. I don't want to change this because I have my trade in there. I don't want to mess up this chart. Let me get a new chart. I am a baby. New chart. Indices. DAX. German. Okay. Whoops. That scared me because my row is there. All right. Let me get it. Blanca. Let me go. Yeah, I am in 4 hour. Remember when I migrate all my positions to the daily chart, but I had to zigzag on the 4 hour because it takes forever. Look at these people. We massacred the DAX. Okay, there we go. So what we have extrapolate our standard deviation for 1440 to 360. So we look at the same thing. 360, and we look at 360, 363, 3.0. All right. Now we're gonna bring the zigzag indicator. And now let me show you. Let me show you his feature. I have a standard 233, but I believe 100% in Fibonacci numbers. Now, as you can see, this is telling me way down here, all right, this impulse from here to here is immense, all right, 100% Fibonacci. Oh my God, bro. So I wanted to get more data, like this point, this point, this point. So I start adjusting this. 233. I find out 55 is the one that give me the most peaks and valleys within this channel. Okay, this is what I did. So now let's get close again, and let's start this period, the 360 bar, which is a 2 months period, and let's measure all the peaks and valleys here with the Fibonacci time view. Insert Fibonacci time zone. This is a peak here. This is a valley. Are you kidding me, people? Are you freaking kidding me? Look at that line. Now, if you want to learn about Fibonacci, look in for the Fibonacci Queen. She gives nice information there. But you can see, what? Oh my God. So now we use the concept of Fibonacci stacking. We continue to do this point to this point, this impulse from here to here. Fibonacci time zone. From this bottom to this top here. Look at this area, people. When the price gets to this area, look for a reversal. Boom. When the price is in this area, oh my God. It touched the line. You don't want to know this? Because of the channel, we have a specific space that we can play with it. All right? Which is 60 days. I think that's very relevant. Why? Okay, people. Now I'm gonna blow your mind a little bit. 369. Does anybody knows what that means? Tesla. If you want to know the key of the universe, work with 369. Now, in the context he talking about magnetic field. I study electrical engineer, and there is a setting with those numbers within a status of certain equipment. So I say, holy shit, let me project this in here. So I start doing 30 days, 60 days, 90 days was too far. So I choose 60 days, all right? Which are the lines in there. If you study my system, you see that we start in 1 week. Then we move on to 30 days monthly, and then to 60 days, all right? By try and error, I frame my trades within this context. And look at these numbers, and look at this Fibonacci, cross the information we can. And let me tell you, son, and let me tell you guys, we have very powerful system here, based only in support and resistance. That's all you need. The market only move up and down, and it drives me to insanity that we cannot reliable learn how to determine these things when we have done things that are way the hell more difficult than this. There you have it, free for you guys. I giving you money, and the only thing I want is for you to subscribe to my channel so I can buy my Ferrari. I can buy my Ferrari. I laugh at that shit. I live in New York, people. Where the hell you gonna run a Ferrari here? You run a Ferrari First Avenue and you done, people. What are you gonna do? Long Island Expressway? Where? Banwyck or Banwick? There is no place to run that shit. Maybe the Autobahn in Germany. I laugh, people. I laugh. Okay, guys, there we go. Go ahead. What's that? Go ahead and procreate and multiply. All right, guys. Anything in this chart, everything in this chart is free. I don't want to send it to you. You got to go and get it. All right, like this thing here. Look in my videos. I send you a website. They have all these free indicators. All right, again. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.